Good morning. I thought I would film before I get ready for the day and show you my mess of a garden back here. Well, you're really not going to see the whole thing because I'm not going to show you. I'm just going to show you bits and pieces, and we'll go from there. We just had a bunch of rain, and do y'all know what's in there right now? Do not disturb. Yet, anyways. Happy Tuesday morning. I'm trying to get that's my raised beds cleaned out and ready to plant some flowers. I have another fire ant bed problem too over here. It's in that black pot, and I tried to take care of it with some dish soap and extremely hot water. I know my problem is not completely gone yet though. But here's one little pretty thing. And another. But we got lots of work to do. I'm really far behind, and yeah. My one tomato plant is doing amazing. It's pretty much taken over everything, and I should know better than to always plant it the way I do, because it just takes over everything. Let me show you it. And it's huge. It's actually two, but I planted one here, and you can see all the pretty little tomatoes coming. I'm trying to see where I saw some more. There's another in there. I know there's a bunch under here. I just have to, yesterday I was gonna get it tied up more, but I know there's a bunch under here because I saw them. And look at this beautiful herb. It is ginormous. And remember this little tree that looked like it was not doing so well? It has come back very beautifully and happy. And I'm about to set up some shelving, and we'll get some seedlings started. I may be too late, I may be too early, but who cares? If it grows, it grows. If it doesn't, it doesn't. So unfortunately, this past summer, fall, I was hoping to extend my whole garden area, and that didn't happen. It didn't go as planned. So last year I had a goal for myself when it cooled off to take care of my shed and get that all organized and repainted and build some more garden beds. I had this whole little plan set up that I wanted to do, and none of it got done. That's not like me, by the way. So hopefully we'll get more done and we'll have more fun. So I'm gonna get to work. I need to also trim my yard, I gotta pick up doggy poo-poo, and still weed out the flower beds. That's it. More videos to come, I promise. Bye.